Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove green screen from your footage in DaVinci Resolve 18.5. As you can see, I'm in my edit page of DaVinci Resolve and I'm going to bring in my green screen footage into the timeline. After bringing the green screen into the timeline, make sure your playhead is on the green screen and now press Fusion page and now go into the Fusion page of DaVinci Resolve. Now, as you can see, we are in the Fusion page. To remove the green screen, you must make sure that you press Media in 1 and then press Shift space to bring in the Select tool and type Delta key and select the Delta key tool and press Add. And as you can see, Delta key has been added automatically into the node tree. After adding the Delta key, go to Inspector tool. If you don't see the Inspector tool, you can press Inspector on top right of the screen. Right here. After selecting the inspector tool, drag this eyedropper tool and drop it. As you can see, the green screen is completely removed. Now to put another video behind this, we have to go back to the edit page and then bring in our secondary footage. So now we have a problem. We can only see the eyes but not the hands and the phone. What we have to do right now is to bring green screen above the eyes. And now you can see it's perfect. So that's how you green screen in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching.